Mana teacher?
Sekejap. Okay, here. Tengah semangat ni, nak macam mana, biasalah online kan. So, kita kena bertenang je, nak macam mana. Nasiblah kelas kamu je, kelas tahun 5, tahun apa, tahun 3, tahun 1 pun tak ada masalah. Okay, so we will continue. Okay, how to convert 36 hours to day.
No, we can see too.
Can you see me? Can you see me? Yes, right. Go to the link that I've given just now. Okay, the latest one, the latest link. So how to?
So we can see you.
Okay, if you can see, can we proceed? Boleh mula ke?
Can.
Okay, so 36 hour. Okay, 36 hours. So now,
Can.
how you want to convert to day and hours? Okay, macam mana nak tukarkan kepada hari dan jam? Okay, hours. 36 hours. You must know the relation first. 1 day equal to 24 hours. Okay. 1, if you want to convert to 24, you need to multiply. 24, if you want to convert to 1, you need to divide by 24. So, 36 hours. Okay, 36 hours. So, now hours you want to convert to day. So, now means that you need to divide by 24. Because hour to change to day. So, 36. Okay. Okay, 36 you divide by 24. Okay, 24 times 1 is 24. So, means that 1 day. Okay, up means day, means for day, and the remainder will become hours. So, 1 day, 12 hours is the answer. Or because of the for the solution in textbook, because the 36 hours is bigger than 24 hours, so they minus with 24. Okay, minus with 24 means that hours and 12 hours. So 24 it means for 1 day. So the answer is 1 day and 12 hours. Okay. Boleh guna juga kaedah ni. Okay. You also can use this method to solve these questions, or you need to do the divisions. Okay. You need to divide by 24 hours. Okay. Look at here. 180 hours. Okay. As we know, or as we okay, as you remember just now, I say, okay, you need to know the relation. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 to become 24, you need to times with 24. And 24, if you want to become 1, you need to divide by 24. So look at here. The question here wants you to convert to day and hours. So now means that hours want to convert to day, means that need to divide by 24. So look at here. Okay, the example given show you the method for long division, because need to divide by 24. So now 24 times 7 is 168. So the remainder here is 12. So the up answer is 4 days. So the remainder will become hours. So the answer is 7 days and 12 hours. Is it okay? Class, is it okay for you? Sorry, So we will continue for days and week. For days and week. Year 4. Okay, year 4, Mary. Pupils were given for weeks in the month of March to complete the anti-drug
Okay, teacher.
mural. Okay, anti-drug
Okay, teacher.
mural. Okay, very good. Year 4 Mary pupils were given 4 weeks in the month of March to
Yes.
complete the anti-drug mural. Okay, state the number of days taken. State the number of days. Okay, first and foremost, you need to know the relation between days and week. Okay, what the relation between days and week? Class, what the relation between day and week? 1 week equal to 1 week equal to plus 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay, 1 week equal to 7 days. So now as usual, okay, you just ignore the unit. Okay, look at the number. Okay, if 1 to become 7, you need to times with 7. If 7 want to become 1, you need to divide by 7.
Teacher,
Yes, Mugudan?
teacher, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. What's your problem?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Please see me on YouTube channel. Is it okay? Okay, so now state the number of days taken.
Teacher,
If
can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you. What's your problem?
Okay.
What's your problem actually?
Teacher.
What's your problem? Can I know what's your problem? I cannot see teacher. Me too. I can hear you clearly. Good. Okay. Yeah. Okay ke ni? Ke teacher sorang-sorang je?
Okay.
Okay, kalau okay teacher nak proceed je. Okay, please see me on YouTube channel. So now, 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week equal to 7
Teacher, it's
days.
not me. My echo.
Okay, okay, look, ignore the unit. Okay, if 1 you want to become 7, you time with 7. Okay, 7, if you want to become 1, you need to divide by 7. So look at here, the question asks you to convert weeks in days. So now weeks in days. Week in days, you need to do multiplication. So you need to multiply with 7. So 4 times 7 equal to 28 days. So the answer is 28 days. So look at the second example, how to convert days to week. First and foremost, you need to know what the relation between day and weeks. 1 week equal to how many days? Equal to how many days? 1 week. 1 week equal to class? 1 week equal to 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay. So ignore the unit. Okay, 1, you want to become 7, you need to time with 7. 7, you want to become 1, you need to multiply by 7. So now,
1 day equals 24 hours.
1 week equal to 7
1 week.
days.
7 days.
Yeah, because I asked you the
7
relation
days.
between day and week. So now 56 days. 56 days. Okay, look at here. If day you want to convert to weeks, day you want to convert to week, you need to do division. Division. You need to divide with 7. Divide by 7. Okay, look at here. So
Teacher, there's 5 is
56,
echo.
you need to divide by 7. So it will become 8. The answer for 8 is 8 weeks. Okay, are you okay with that? Can we proceed to next? Okay, I want to proceed to next. Look at here. What is the durations? Okay, this is the mid-year break. 24, 24 of May, okay, 2019, okay, until 8 of June 2019 is 16 days. 16 days. So 16 days. What is the durations in weeks and days? Okay, first and foremost, you must know the relation between day and weeks. 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. So now, if you want to convert to week and days, okay, look at here. The question asks you to convert day to week. Day to week. Okay, so if 7 want to become 1, you need to do multiplication of 7. So you need to divide by 7. Okay, look at here. 16, you divide by 7. So 7 times 2, 14. So it will become remainder. It will have remainder 2. Remainder 2 here. Okay, the answer for up is week. 2 weeks and 2 days. Or you can use another method, the second method, which is because 16 days is bigger than 7, so you can do repeated subtraction, which is 16. You divide, you subtract with 7 first. Okay, subtract with 7 first, and then it will become 9. 9, you subtract with 7,
Teacher,
and
it's 5
then
is
it will
echo.
become 2. So 2 is the remainder of day. So how many times you subtract? 2 times. 2 times means that 2 weeks. So 2 weeks and 2 days, the answer. So we proceed to month and year. How to do month and year? Okay, conversions of month and year. Okay, first and foremost, you must know the relation between month and year. What's the relation between month and year? Class, what the relation between month and year? One year equal to how many months? 1 year equal to how many months? 1 year equal to 12 months. Okay, where your voice? I can. Should we leave or not? We will end our class at
My turn?
12:10. I just tell you just now. 12:10. So no need to left now because I want to replace.
What are we supposed to do?
Sorry. Sorry, I beg your pardon.
Teacher, we can't hear you.
You can't hear me. Okay, 1 year equal to 12 months. How
Hey,
many?
that's teacher.
Huh? Sat, masak apa ni sekarang?
Teacher, we can't hear you.
You can't hear me. Pasal apa tak boleh dengar pula? Ada siapa? Mugu mute your mic. Ibrahim mute your mic. Okay. Okay, okay. Ikut suka kamu lah. Okay. Tak apalah, teacher nak explain je. Nanti kamu rasa tak ni ke apa, kamu tengok balik kat YouTube ni. Okay, how many months? Okay, so now we want to convert month and year. 1 year equal to 12 months. So just ignore the unit. If 1 you want to become 12, you need to time with 12. Okay, 12 you want to become 1, so you need to divide by 12 equal to 1. So look at here. The question asks you how many months did the constructions of the Kuala Lumpur Tower take until its official opening. Okay, so now the question asks you the duration of the constructions of Kuala Lumpur Tower until its official opening is 5 years. So 5 years equal to how many months? Years, you want to convert to months, you need to do multiplication. So now you need to divide by 12. So 12 times 5 equal to 60 months.
Yes, teacher.
60 months. The duration of the constructions of the Kuala Lumpur Tower until its official opening is 60 months. Are you okay with that? Are you okay with that? Okay, we will proceed. Question 2. Facts at a glance. Okay, an ancient elephant can live to 840 months. Okay,
I didn't see also, teacher.
you didn't see me?
No,
Please see me on YouTube channel. You just click the link that I've given just now. Okay, an Asian elephant can live to 840 months. Calculate the age of the elephant in years. Okay, so you must know the relation between years and months. 1 year equal to 12 months. So now, the question wants you to convert month to year. Month to year. Month to year. Okay, means that you need to become 12 to become 1. So you need to do division. Division with 12. So look at here. The method that's shown in textbook. Okay. Okay, are you have any? Yeah. Ada masalah apa ni?
mana teacher? Teacher tak cakap dari tadi pun.
Teacher tak cakap dari tadi. The latest one.
Tadi dekat link tu.
Ni, the latest link. The latest link. I already give you the latest link. Yang ni kan? Ni. Dari tadi teacher duk terang kamu tak masuk tengok pun. Kamu buat apa? So look at here. Okay, please look at here. Okay, the method that shown in textbook is long division method. Okay, look at here. 840 months. Okay, need to divide by 12. So 12 times 7 is 84. So you minus, and then it will become 0, and then the remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, so the answer is 70 years. So you just you must know only the operation involved. Okay, and then after that you can do it easily. Convert 172 months to years and month. Okay, easy. Okay, to years and month. Okay, first and foremost, you must know the relation between month and year. Okay, what the relation between month and years, class? 1 year equal to 12 month. So this is the unit. Okay, 1 times. Okay, 1, if you want to become 12, you need to times with 12. 12, you want to become 1, you need to divide by 12. So now look at here. The question asks you to convert month to year. Month to year. So means that you need to divide by 12. So 172 you divide by 12. 12 times 1 equal to 1. So 5. 2, okay, 4. It becomes 48. So minus. So it will have the remainder 4. You have the remainder 4. So now 14 years and 4 months. 14 years and 4 months. This is the answer. Okey ke? Ada masalah ke? Kalau ada masalah bagi tahu. Ada masalah apa Reader is with restricted mode unable to view this is disable je restricted mode tu. Tak ada masalah. Ada masalah apa ni? Teacher dah buat 4 kelas dah minggu lepas. Tak ada masalah pun. Kenapa ada masalah dengan kamu ni? Apa yang tak faham sebenarnya? Tak apa bagi tahu.
Kenapa cakap?
Tak cakap? Tengah bercakap lah ni. Link mana kamu buka ni? Ni, the latest one. This is the latest one. This is the latest link. Dari tadi kamu duk ada masalah nak buka ni je ke? Ni. Ada masalah apa sebenarnya? Kenapa ni? Ada masalah apa ni? Okey je. Kamu buka tak? Buka kan? So, teacher nak sambung je. Kalau kamu tak ni, nanti kamu pergi je balik dekat YouTube link ni. Kamu tengoklah balik. Okay, tak nak buang masa. Sekarang teacher lanjutkan sampai 12.10 sebab teacher nak ganti kelas sekali. Okay, so now years, decade and century. Okay, year, decades and century. Okay, first and foremost, you must know the relation. Okay, the relation between years, decade and century. Okay. 1 decade equal to how many years just now? Class, 1 decade equal to how many years? 1 decade equal to how many years? And 1 century equal to how many years? 1 decade equal to how many years? Class?
Kenapa semua orang tak jawab ni?
Ibrahim jawablah. Kenapa semua diam ni? Kelas lain semua respon elok je. Kamu bela apa ni? Tak faham. Orang lain semua faham je. Apa masalah kelas kamu ni? Kita tengah live sekarang ni. Okay? Satu Malaysia boleh tengok ni. Okay, so 1 decade equal to how many years, class? 1 decade equal to how many years? One decade equal to 10 years. Okay, 1 century equal to 100 years. Okay, look at here. Convert 23 years to decade and years. Okay, first and foremost, you must know the relation between years and decade. 1 decade equal to 10 years. Okay, 1, if you want to become 10, you need to multiply with 10. And 10, you need to divide by 10. 10 if you want to become 1. So you need to divide by 10. Okay, look at here. The question asks you to convert 23 years.
Sorry sikit.
Ya.
Sorry.
Ya, apa masalah? Apa masalah? Apa masalah? Bagi tahulah apa dia. Teacher tak nak buang masa sebab kita ada masa untuk nak replace kelas. So, teacher nak laju sikit. Ada masalah apa ni? Okey ke tak okey ni? So, teacher sambung je lah. Sebab tak ada respon dari kamu ni. Teacher jadi heran.
Is everyone as I don't know.
Apa Ibrahim? Apa? I beg your pardon. Ulang balik. Teacher tak dengar. Apa masalah Ibrahim? Tak apa, baru masuk pun tak ada masalah. Nanti kalau tak dapat masuk balik, tengoklah balik link tu. So teacher nak laju je. Okay, sekarang ni siapa yang faham respon. Okay, respon. Sebab teacher dah buat 4 kelas lah minggu lepas kaedah ni dan tak ada masalah langsung. Okay, kelas tahun 3 2 hari lagi. Dan dia orang pun suka. Dia orang pun tengok balik.
Okey cikgu, okey.
Kan dah
Cuma
faham?
saya nak tanya kenapa yang lain diam je?
Tak apa, kalau yang lain diam, kamu respon, kamu teacher akan bagi hadiah hari ni. Teacher sebenarnya ada niat nak bagi hadiah. Siap nak minta alamat lagi. Nak post hadiah hari ni. Tapi dah disebabkan tak tahulah kamu punya kelas hari ni lain macam. Kelas kamu ni, kelas tahun 5 pun excited lah ni nak masuk kelas pun. Sebenarnya ni masuk kelas tahun 5 tapi sekejap teacher akan combine kelas tahun 5 dengan kelas tahun 6 sebab tahun 6 tu dia kelas ujung jadi dia boleh dapat sekali combine. So tak ada masalah. So macam mana ni? Kita sambung Okay, sekejap respon je. Siapa yang faham dah tu boleh respon lah kan. Tak apa, open je mic, tak ada masalah. Satu Malaysia boleh tengok ni. Okay. Kan kamu pun sekejap tak mai kelas ke masuk kelas lambat ke, kamu tekan je kat link ni. Buka je, tengok balik. Respon-respon kawan ke kerja kawan pun semua boleh tengok terus kat sini. So tak ada masalah. Okay. So now how to convert 23 years to decades and years. Okay, first and foremost you must know the relation between years and
Teacher tak
decades.
dengar sangat teacher cakap kuat sikit.
First and foremost you must know the relation. Can you hear me now? Boleh dengar? Can you hear me? Ibrahim boleh dengar? Ibrahim? Boleh dengar tak? So now please how to convert? Okay, please respond lah. Kalau dengar respon lah kan. Apa yang berat sangat nak respon pun. Kan respon lah. Okay, open your mic and then respond. Kalau tak boleh pun you just type dekat dalam Telegram tu. Apa masalah? So now convert 23 years.
Ready?
No need. No, because now we replace the last week class.
I can hear you. I can.
Okay, can. Okay.
Teacher, I can hear you.
So we will proceed now. Okay, we will proceed now. Okay.
Sebab dekat phone saya kan.
So now how want to convert 23 years to decade?
Teacher,
Okay.
can you hear me?
Yes, Mugudan. Yes. Okay, you please mute your mic and now I want to continue my class. Now I want to continue my class. Okay, so now how to convert 23 years to decade and years. Thank you. So, first and foremost, you need to know the relation between day and years. 1 day equal to 10 years.
23.
Okay, so now years to day. Okay, years to day. Years to day means that you need to divide by 10. So, look at here. Okay, the method shown in textbooks. Okay, the textbook use long division to solve this question. So 23 divided by 10 equal to 2. So 2 and then have remainder 3 here. Have 3 as remainder. So 2 is the decade and 3 is years. So look at question 2. Please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. Okay, please mute your microphone. Okay, please mute your microphone. Okay, thank you. So we will proceed now. Okay, questions 2. Okay, example in 2. In 2020, the Leaning Tower of Teluk Intan was 134 years old. Convert the age of the tower to century and years. Okay, 134 years. Okay, first and foremost, you must know the relation between years and century. Okay, class, what the relation between years and century? 1 century equal to how many years?
Teacher, saya boleh dengar.
Yes, thank you, dear.
Sorry.
Okay, so we will proceed. Okay, 1 century equal to how many years?
100 years.
Yes, thank you. 100 years. So now, you just ignore the unit and then look at the number. If 1 to become 100, you need to multiply with 100. And 100, if you want to become 1, you need to divide by 100. So now, look at question here. The question asks you to convert years to century. Years to century. Okay, look at here. Years to century. Years to century means that you need to do divisions. Okay, you need to do division. So, you need to divide by 100. 134, you divide by 100. So, 100. So, you have remainder 34. So, means that the up here is 1 year. Up there is 1 century. 1 century. And the remainder will become 34 years. Because the question asks you to convert to century and years. So the up is century and the remainder will become years. Is it okay? Are you clear with that? Class? Okay. May we proceed to the next example? Okay, look at question 3. Okay, 2 centuries, 7 years. Okay, 2 centuries, 7 years. Okay, so you want to convert to years. You want to convert to years. Okay, because of 7 years has the similar unit. Okay, similar unit with answer. So you no need to do anything with 7 years. So you just convert to century. First and foremost, you must know what? You must know the relation between years and century. 1 century equal to 100 year. So if 2 century, you need to times with 100. So it will become 200 years. So 200 years, don't forget about 7 years just now. So 200 you plus with 7. Okay, years.
You can tell me?
It will become 207 years. Okay, are you okay with that? So, look at the test yourself here. Okay, please type in Telegram. Ada masalah apa ni? Are you having a problem? Yes, teacher, I can listen to you. So, ada masalah apa ni? Okay kan? So, please give me the answer for 144 hours. How many days? Please type in Telegram. 144. How many days? Class, where's the answer? 144. First and foremost, you need to know the relation between days and hours. Okay, what the relation between days and hours? What the relation between days and hours, class? 1 day equal to what the relation between day and hours? 1 day equal to 24 hours.
Itu. Kau ni seko.
What's your problem, Guden?
1 day. Yang kau ni seko.
So now, the question asks you to convert hours to day. So hours to day. So what's the operation involved here? Hours to day. What the operation involved here? If 24 to become 1, what you supposed to do? You need to multiply or division? You need to divide or multiply? You need to do division. So you need to do division. So now you need to divide by 24. Thank you. 144 here, you need to divide by 24. Okay. So what's the answer for that? How many days? How many days, class? Okay, what's the answer? Please type in group. So the answer is 144. So the answer is 6 days. Mana jawapan kamu? Yes, thank you, Ain. 1 day to 24 hours. Oh, that is the previous 6 days. Yes, very good. Yes, Ain. Okay, followed by Kasara, Dini, Sharifah, Alhamdulillah. Afrin, very good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Okay, superb. Well done. Okay, very good doa. Alhamdulillah. So you can know. Okay, Ryan, very good. Terbaik. Okay, so we proceed to please answer B. 5 days equal to how many hours? 5 days equal to how many hours? First and foremost, you must know the relation between days and hours. What the relation between days and hours, class? What the relation between days and hours? What the relation? 1 day equal to how many hours? 1 day. Yes, equal to 24 hours. Very good. If 5 days, how you supposed to do? Okay, if day you want to become, you need to do multiplication. Alhamdulillah, thank you so much. So, you need to multiply with 24. So, what's the answer that you will get?
120.
Yes, thank you so much, dear. Who's that? Ain. Very good. Okay, Ain. Ui, teruk Ain hari ni. Dah faham dah, senang kan? Tadi dah blur-blur. Nak move start kelas pun dah blur-blur. Kan? Year 3 cukup suka kelas guna kaedah macam ni. Okay, very good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Okay, well done. Anda hebat. Baguslah. Tu dah faham lah tu. Dia laju tu dia faham lah. Tadi jenuh nak bagi faham. Okay, ni dia dah faham dah. Alhamdulillah. So, kita tengok before. Okay, we continue with the next questions. Question C. Okay. Please convert to hours. Please convert hours to days and hours. Okay, first and foremost, you must know the relation. Okay, what the relation between hours and day? Yes, thank you. 1 day equal to 24 hours. So now, what you supposed to do? Okay, you need to convert hours to day. So, what the operation involved here, dear? What the operation involved here? You need to multiply or divide? You need to divide with 24 or divide by 24. So now 100 you divide by 24. So what's the answer that you will get? So you will get 4, 16, 96, so 4. So you will get, the up 4 days and the below or the remainder is 4 hours. So the answer is 4 days and 4 hours. Yes, very good. Teranya Aina Suha hari ni. Wow, hebat betul. Jawapan kamu hebat. Hebatlah. Aina Suha hari ni. Aina Suha dengan tadi awal tadi dia. Dia dah diam dah. Okay, very good. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so we will proceed to questions D. Okay, you need to convert weeks to day. Okay, first and foremost, you must know the relation between weeks and day. Okay, what the relation between weeks and days? Sorry, weeks and day. Between weeks and day, what the relation, class? 1 week equal to 7 days. So now you want to convert to days. What you supposed to do? You need to multiply by 7. So you will get 84 days. Is it okay? Dear. Okay, very good. Okay, what's your answer? Yes, very good, Kasara. Well done. I like it so much. Thank you. 84 days. Alhamdulillah. Okay, doa. Alhamdulillah. Ain. Well done. Okay, so very good. You're able to answer the questions properly. So now we proceed to E. Okay, what you supposed to do with E? Sorry. Sorry, Okay. So E, please try to answer E. Okay, first and foremost, you must know the relation between days and week. Days and week. What the relation between days and week? 1 week equal to 7 days. Thank you. Okay, and then you just ignore the unit. Okay, 1, if you want to become 7, you need to time with 7. And then 7, if you want to become 1, you need to divide by 7. So now, days to week. So you need to divide by 7. So please do this one. Okay, how to do that one? 74. You need to divide by 7. So you will get 4. 0. So is it the answer for that? Yes. So you will get 10 weeks and 4 days. Is it okay? Why it's connecting? Yes, line hang hilang. Betul, betul. Betul, line hilang. Kalau yang connecting tu, tengok coverage internet. Whether you check the router ke kan, ada setengah kan ada yang router. Ada router, pergi on and off balik ke. Kalau yang pakai modem ke pun, just on and off, reset balik ke. So whatever, pergilah. Okay. Tapi lambatlah sikit balik nak masuk kan. Okay, tak apa. Lambat pun nanti kamu tengok ke je dekat link YouTube ni. InsyaAllah lah. Okay, teacher tak minta banyak kamu dapat. Dapat sikit pun jadilah. Okay, sebab kita jumpa seminggu sekali je. Okay, so sekarang 2 weeks 4 days. And you need to convert to day. Okay. If week, you want to convert to day, you need to multiply by 7. So, if 2 weeks and 4 days. Okay, for 4 days, you no need to do anything. You just convert for 2 weeks. Okay, if 1 week equal to 7 days, so 2 weeks mean that 14 days. And then after that, 14 days, you add with 4 days. And then you will get 18 days. Very good. Alhamdulillah. Tadi ada yang dah jawab dah 18 days. Very good. This one kind the heartbeat. Okay, I will give you. Okay, very good. Thank you. And then 108 months. Okay, 108 months. Okay, first and foremost, you must know the relation between months and years. Okay, what the relation between months and years, class? What the relation between months and years? Who's know? What the relation between months and years? What's the relation? So, I beg your pardon. 1 year equal to 12 months. Okay, very good. 1 year equal to 12 months. Okay. So you just ignore the unit. Okay, 1, if you want to become 12, you need to times. And then 12, you want to become 1, you need to divide by 12. So now, months to year. Months to year means that you need to do division. So you need to divide by 12. So 108, you need to divide by 12. So what's the answer that you will get? So you will get 9. So you will get 9 years. Is it okay for you? Boleh ke? Boleh? Sekarang dah faham Alhamdulillah. Nampak laju sikit dah. Nampak cerah dah. Tadi semua mengantuk lagi kot. Okay. Alhamdulillah. So we will proceed. Kita ada 13 participants. Okay. Participants. Okay. So now 10 years equal to how many months? 1 years equal to 12 months. So, if 10 years equal to 112 months. Senang kan? So, we will proceed to 86 months. Okay, so 86 months now, you need to convert to years and months. Kalau years and months ni means that mesti division. Division yang ada baki. Senang je kita tengok ni, kita tahu dah operasi apa sebenarnya. Tapi tak apalah, sebab kamu baru lagi belajar, tak apa, kamu guna kaedah macam teacher ajar tadi. First and foremost, you must know the relation. Mesti tahu hubungan. Okay, after that, selepas tahu hubungan, okay, mesti tahu hubungan tu maksudnya 1 year equal to 12 month. 1 year equal to 12 month. Selepas tahu hubungan, you must know the operation involved. Mesti tahu operasi yang terlibat. Okay, selepas tahu operasi yang terlibat, barulah kita boleh selesaikan ataupun kita boleh tukarkan or convert the unit. So now, months to years. Means that you need to do division with 12. Okay, so
Mommy?
86 you need to divide by 12. Ya, Mugu, teacher dengar je. Teacher tak dengar suara Lex lah hari ni. Lagi 12. So 7. So
14 participants.
So, you will get 7 years and 2 months. Is it okay for you?
7 years and 2 months.
Yeah, 7 years. 1 year equal to yes, teacher, question G. Yes, I guess. Why you guessing? Okay. This is yes, really 9 years just now. So, can you get the answer for I just now? Okay, this is the answer for 86 months. Okay. So now please look at question J. Jom tengok soalan J sama-sama. Please look at question J. 15 years and 8 months. So, how you want to convert to months? First and foremost, you must know the relation between years and months, which is 1 year equal to 12 months. So, sekarang disebabkan 8 months ni is the similar unit. Ada unit yang sama dengan jawapan. So, you just ignore that. You just put aside. Letak sebelah dulu. 8 months tak perlu buat apa-apa. So, now 15 years. 15 years, you need to convert to month. So, how you want to convert years to month? You need to times with 12. So, 15 you time with 12, you will get 180. 15 darab dengan 12, you will get 180. But 180, don't forget to add with 8 months. So, kena tambah balik dengan 8 months yang kamu tinggal tadi. So, you will get the answer 188 months. Boleh ke?
Boleh.
Okey, boleh. Siapa tu? Mugu ke? Tak dengar suara Lex hari ni. Selalu Lex ada je. Okay. So, we will proceed to K. 5 decades. Okay, 1 decade is equal to how many years? 1 decade?
1 day.
Equal to? 1 decade equal to? 1 dekad bersamaan dengan? 10 years. Okay.
10 years.
Yes, 10 years. 1 decade equal to 10 years. If 5 decade, how many years? If 5 decades, 50 years. So, 50 years is the answer. Inilah jawapan dia. So, 90 years. Okay, 1 decade. Tadi kita tahu 1 decade equal to 10 years. So, sekarang ni dia terbalik je. Okay. If you want to find years to decade means that you need to divide by 10. So, you will get 9 decades. Is it okay? Boleh ke? Boleh ke? Boleh ke? Boleh. 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 Okay. So, 67 years. Okay, 67 years. 67 years. Okay. First and foremost, as usual, you must know the relation between years and decade. 1 year equal to 1 decade. 1 decade equal to 10 years. Yeah. Okay, so now the question asks you to convert 140. Tersilap soalan. 67. 10 years. So, if 67 years means that years you want to convert to decade, means that you need to divide by 10. So, if 67 decade means that 67 divided by 10. So, 10, 60. So, have remainder 7. So, this is 6 decade and 7 years. Is it okay? Boleh faham tak? Teacher dah habis conteng dah ni. Boleh nak padam ni tak lepas. So we will continue. Okay, we will continue to end 300 years. Oh, teacher tak buka dekat group. 6 decade and 7 years. Dina dapat Dini, why 6 decade and 1 year? Can you check your answer again? Is it 1 year or 7 years? Okay, betul Afrin. Very good. Okay, there. Yes, it's clear. Like it so much. Okay, Dini tengok balik jawapan Dini ya. Silap tarik. Tak apa, teacher faham je. Biasalah duduk kat rumah kan, PKP kan. Tangan tu dia kembang sikit. Biasalah. Okay, lawak je. Just joking. Okay. So, 142 years. 142 years. Oh, lama. Habis dah. Dia punya jalan kira dia macam-macam. Nak padam pun dia tak berapa ni. Okay. Okay. We proceed to 300 years. 300 years. 300 years. Teacher nak guna color ni lah. Okay. 300 years. Okay, class. First and foremost, as usual, you must know the relation between years and century. What is the relation between years and century, class? 1 century equal to how many years? Ding dong, click pop. 1 century equal to how many years? 1 century equal to 100 years.
Yes. 100 years.
So, you just ignore the unit. If 1 to become 100, you need to multiply 100. You want to become 1, you need to divide by 100. So, now, year to become century. So, year, century. So, you need to divide by 100. So, 300, you divide by 100, you will get 3 century. Okay, very good. So, now, we proceed to 142 years. Okay, 142 years. 142 years, you need to divide by 100. So, you will get 1 century and 42 years. Very good. Well done. Alhamdulillah. So, 2 centuries and 9 decades. Okay, because of we don't have years, so you need to convert both. So 9 decade equal to 90 years. 90 years, and then you need to add with 2 centuries, means that 200 years. So you will get 209 years. So this is the answer. Boleh faham ke? Boleh tak? Ada faham? Adik-adik manis semua? Faham. Alhamdulillah. So now additions of time. Teacher pun dah penuh. Okay, faham kan? Okay. So please, so now we want to enter additions of time, subtractions of time, multiplications of time, and divisions of time. So additions of time ni senang saja. First and foremost, you must see the similar unit. Unit mesti sama. Okay, mesti tengok the unit must similar. Mesti sama unit. Baru kita boleh buat penambahan. And then after that, we will do the addition operations of additions. So now look at here. What is the total time taken to build chicken coops A and B? Okay, for A, 3 days and 4 hours. For B, 2 days and 9 hours. And for C is 1 day and 12 hours. So now, the question asks you for coops A and B only. So A and B. So you just add for A and B. Okay, look at here. I like the method in this textbook because you can see this is we call the table method. Okay, you just separate the unit. Okay, day and hour. Okay, for Cook A, 3 days and 4 hours. And for Cook B is 2 days and 9 hours. So, you will get 5 days and 13 hours. This is the answer. Okay, that is the way how to do the additions of time. So, look at the B example B here. Okay, calculate the total time taken to build the 3 coops. So now you just add all 3 coops all together in one time. Or you will do one by one. Okay, for textbooks method shown you the method one by one method. You just add the first one and then the answer add with another another time. So now but you must do the table method like this. I like the table method because the table method can separate the unit clearly. But the answer you must take out from the table. Mesti keluarkan jawapan tu. Okay, tak boleh tinggal jawapan macam ni. You just take out jadi 7 days and 1 hour. Are you clear with that? Can we proceed or you want me to explain more about this? Can we proceed? Is it okay? Okay, kita sambung lah. Okay, kita boleh proceed lah. Okay, so ini additions of time. Addition of time, teacher tak nak apa kamu buang masa banyak. Jadi, tak apa. Kamu tengok je dulu. Okay, test yourself. Cuba dulu. Okay, cuba test yourself. Okay, you try to do question E. Question E. Cuba buat. Okay, and then type the answer in group. Okay.
Teacher?
Yeah. Boleh kah? Boleh? Okay, 7 weeks, 5 days plus or add with 15 days and 8 with 3 weeks and 4 days. Okay, what's the answer in weeks and days? Okay, please use table method. Please use table method. Okay, weeks and days. Faham. Faham tak apa, alhamdulillah. Okey, dah faham okey, alhamdulillah. Ya. Yeah.
9 hours, 1
Okay, what the answer for E? Mugudan, you get the answer for E? No. Please do the answer for E and then type in group. Or you may display or show me your answer by upload your answer in group. Is it still okay? Okay ya? Boleh juga. Masukkan jawapan kamu. Okay, dapat dah jawapan? Did you get the answer? Yeah? Okay, what the answer for E? 7 weeks and 7 weeks and 5 days and 15 days. You supposedly put at day's house or day's place, and then add another 3 weeks and 3 weeks and 4 days. So you will get 14, 24 days, 10 week and 24 days. Is it okay? Is it true? 3, 10 week and 24 days. Tadi. Yes, very good. Alhamdulillah. Mubudan dapat hari ni. Okay, hari ni ada 3 orang lagi. Lex, hi Lex. 10 weeks. Lex, make sure the spelling is correct. Weeks, you must put S, okay, at the end of weeks. 10 weeks and 24 days. Yes, very good. Followed by Afrin, Doa, Afrin, Ain. Okay, very good. Alhamdulillah. And then we proceed to subtractions of time. Okay, subtractions of time. Sama juga macam additions of time just now. Okay, same with additions of time just now. You must make sure the unit is similar. Mesti samakan unit-unit tu dulu baru boleh buat operasi subtractions. Okay, and then first, how long was Nancy in Sabah? Okay, Nancy in Sabah. Okay, I visited both states in 6 days, which is Sarawak 3 days and 4 hours. Okay, how long was Nancy in Sabah? Means that Nancy needs to do the subtractions for 6 days with 3 days and 4 hours. Okay, first and foremost, you must do the table method. Okay, table method, which is day and hours. Okay, 6 day. Okay, 0 hours, and then 3 day and 4 hours. Okay, you must do the subtraction. Okay, how to do the subtraction? Because 0 you can't minus with 4, but you still can borrow from your neighbor. Okay, if you want to borrow from your neighbor, you just borrow only 1. Okay, look at here. 6, okay, will become 5. But look at the unit. Because day and hours, 1 day equal to 24 hours. Means that 1 unit from day, okay, transfer to hours means that 24. Yes, 24 hours. So means that minus with 24, it will become 20. And then 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So you will get 2 days and 20 hours. 20 hours dear, not 24. 20 hours. Okay, look at here. 4 days 2 hours minus with 1 day and 16 hours. Minus with 1 day and 9 hours. Okay, all together you must get the answer in hours. It's okay. First and foremost, you just do the table method. Okay, gunakan kaedah table, kaedah jadual, the table method, which is you separate between day and hours like this. And then you do the subtractions one by one. Okay, the subtraction you must do one by one. You can't do all together in one time. Okay, tak boleh buat terus nah, tolak terus tak ada. Okay, you can't do the subtraction in one time. You need to do one by one like this. Buat satu persatu. 4 days, okay, 2 hours. You need to minus with 1 day and 16 hours first. Okay, look at here. 2 can't minus with 16. So now you need to borrow from day. Okay, mesti pinjam daripada day. So you want to borrow from day. So look at here. If you want to borrow from day, you just borrow only 1 from day, and then 4 will become 3, and then it will become 24 plus 2 will become 26, and then 26 you minus with 16, you will get 10 hours. And then 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So 2 day and 10 hours only the answer for these subtractions. So the answer for this subtraction, you
2
continue
days and
to
10
do the subtraction with 1 day and 9 hours. So you do another subtractions with 1 day and 9 hours, so you will get 1 day and 1 hour. But remember, the question asks you in hours. If the question asks you in hours, you must convert 1 day to hours. Okay, because the hour you just remain. Okay, no need to do anything with our 1 hour. Okay, you just convert 1 day here. So 24 plus 1 equal to 25 hours. So you will get 25 hours. Is it okay? You okay with that? Okay, Alhamdulillah. So now, okay, you try to do the questions in I want you try to do H. Page 157. Try to answer H question. Okay, cuba jawab soalan H. Dah jawab dah? Okay, please use the table method. Guna kaedah jadual. Table method. Dah. Can you get the answer? 2 days and 20 hours. Teacher, which page? 2 days and 20 hours. 2 days and 20 hours just now. Okay, H. Question H. 13 decades, 4 hours, minus with 9 years, minus with 2 decades and 7 years. Okay. What the answer for that? Apa jawapan tu? Okay. Did you get the answer? Tak dapat pun. Siapa dah dapat dah jawapan? Okay. 13 decade and years. Okay, 13 decade and 4 years. You need to minus with 9. 0. 9 years. And then here you will get 4. 4 days and 4 years. And then after that you need to minus with 2 decade. Oh sorry, bukan. Sorry, teacher salah. 9 years Okay, sorry. 9 years, not 9 decade. Okay, you borrow from here and then you will get 12 days. And here day and year, not day, decade. Decade is means that you borrow 10. 14. So 14 5 lah. Betul kan? So after that you minus with 2 decade and 7 years. Okay, 12 will become 11 and then it will become 15 here. So here will become 8. Here will become 9. So you will get 9 decade and 8 years. Is it clear? Is it okay with the answer? Yes, very good. Afrin, the first person. Alhamdulillah, Afrin. Very good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Afrin. Afrin, the first person. Okay. 9 decade and 8 years. Very good. Alhamdulillah. So, apalah, tak dapat, teacher tak bukan nak minta banyak-banyak ke apa. Janji kamu faham. So sekarang kerja kamu, okey, kamu ada sejam lagi dengan teacher sebenarnya. Kalau ikutkan jadual kita 10 sampai 1:10 kan. Tapi teacher nak kena masuk kelas tahun 5 pula ni. Sebab dah ambil masa dia orang. Dan teacher pun dah ganti kelas kamu minggu lepas. So sekarang kamu tengok test yourself ni, teacher minta kamu buat. Sebab kamu dah faham, jangan berhenti. Okay? Jadi minggu depan, kita ada seminggu seminggu. So test yourself page 154. Okay, buat semua Test yourself. Test yourself page 157. Test yourself. Tengok page 160. Okay, buat semua juga multiplications and test yourself at page 163. Buat semua test yourself. Ada 4 test yourself. Senang je sebab kamu dah faham. So tak ada masalah. Okay, so we will discuss next week. Is it okay? Are you clear with that? Boleh So if you clear with my explanation, so we will end our class for today. So I will enter next class for year 5 and year 6. Okay. Thank you and Assalamualaikum and sorry for any inconvenience. Okay. Terima kasih. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye.
Bye.